Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to fix the PlayStation 4 error code WV-33907-2 could not connect to the server within the time limit. The connection may be busy or temporarily unstable. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. Now, there's a couple different reasons why this error code could be happening on your PlayStation 4. Your router could be too far away from your PlayStation 4 and is causing a signal to drop. Also, there could be a high amount of bandwidth usage on your home network. Someone's downloading something or streaming something on a very high resolution and is causing your internet bandwidth, your connection on your PlayStation 4 to go down and not connect to the internet or PlayStation services. So the first thing we have to do is do an internet connection test on our PlayStation 4. So let's go over to settings and select this and then go down to network and go to test internet connection and do a quick test here. And this will tell you if you are connecting to the internet and PlayStation network. So everything is successful under this list. Now let's go ahead and back out of this and see if we are connecting to PlayStation Network and see if there's any issue on the PlayStation 4 side of things. So let's back out and then go down to view status of PlayStation Network services and just see if all services are up and running. So under this list right here, I can see all services are up and running and there's nothing causing a disruption of services. So let's back out of this list here and then go to set up internet connection. And if you are using LAN, go ahead and try Wi-Fi if you have that option. And if you are using Wi-Fi, if you have the option to try a LAN cable, go ahead and do that. Now I'm going to go ahead and set up a custom internet connection here. So let's go down to custom. Then go to automatic for IP address. GHC hostname, go to do not specify. Now for DNS setting, let's go to manual. And type in this for the primary DNS. Type in 1.1.1.1. Press R2 and done. Then go down to secondary DNS and type in 1.0.0.1. And this will be the Google Open DNS server that you can connect to. And there may be one closer nearby your location than your service providers. So let's go to R2 and done. And then go to next. And go to automatic for MTU setting. Proxy server, do not use. And then do another test internet connection and see if this has resolved your issue. So everything is successful for me. Now let's go ahead and focus on our modem and our router. So here's my PlayStation 4. One thing you really need to take in consideration is the placement of your PlayStation 4 and where your modem and router is located. So mine is right here underneath my table. Suppose my router or modem was way across the room over there by my TV or even behind it. That could be way too far. It could be going through many different walls, surfaces, or object, and it could be reducing the strength of the signal. So go ahead and try to reduce the range between your modem, your router, and your PlayStation 4, just to make sure you have the best quality Wi-Fi connection you can and the closest signal. Now let's go ahead and unplug our modem and our router from the wall outlet for about 5 minutes and then plug it back in and see if that fixes the problem. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.